Kei au hobutko bugo kere goroni go bona banya orete hebiego hase chigasi au baba kora egati yabo mwaziri we county Nyamira hotenete chipara bwagachi Grace Nyamongo niganyorete hekwa kurwasiri shirika ya East Africa Superwoman Awards na boigo ase chinga kecho ekiombe kia maendeleo ya wanawake boigo nigo banyorete ebiego boigo ase meremeri bagendete kwenekia
Njengo rukwanga Dr. Grace Bosibori Nyamongo kurwa county ya Nyamira n'umuwaziri w'echipara ase ya rero nabere no mogoko monene ase ngencho yokonyora eza award yeye kuba omwaziri okorega sibuya mono ase East Africa na ende yo nango tebanga bagari dia bangina tai bangina tari abangina paka banyare ko korega asi kero basomete omongina ndakonyara ekero bagotebi basomi abana babo tiga babasomi egera abandi babe chinjini abandi baba banyagetari egera banyare kuba bakonyora chigasi kinene igo nto base gosireria abana baito chinyaruka asa masomo abo naende ingoteba ngasiende onsi umusacha agokora no musubati na bagokora gento nke musubati atakore ekiagera anyochire school nendo mire bakanyare gokore gasi eyo igo abanto abategereri mbiya mono sana ase gencho nanyarire kubagi mugonsira abansire banyagonsira naende nagokire sana ase ekegweke ekiagera narengere twosirinke nyorera kirina abaenko gokora research obotuki bambwatirie ngaki nyinge bakona koranga ngasi ngokora kuruma igaigabu onarengere ase wizara ya sports naende ngakori mono kabisa okangabeka Nyamire kaba world calendar of sports in athletics kombwatia aromba mbwati tikarona renge bosomia se university abana ki abaibori tiga basomia abana babo chinyaruka egere banyare ko baba gokore egasi engia unaba mura bagokora
Jinaku Mrs. Rahabu Mwekali Muyu niko na katibu wa maendeleo ya wanawake Mama Elizabeth Mayeka. I am extremely humbled to come to receive this award on empowerment of women. I'm told it is the year 2026. I can only say this is for maendeleo. I give it to maendeleo ya wanawake and I attach it more to the work we've been doing on water tanks. Wamama kununua matangi ya maji through Equity Bank since 2019. I attach it more to the clean energy, kusafisha maji. Tumekuwa tukifanya, tulianza na Danish company, Danish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, pamoja na For Life Kenya. Tukarudi tukachukuliwa na Mbeya Foundation, na ile kubwa kabisa hii tunaipeana kwa His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto. Her Excellency the First Lady, please let it be an organization thing, please. Her Excellency the First Lady, for the visit we did 1st of April with 5,000 women, where His Excellency pronounced himself to support us to empower our circle, which we started in the year 2022 to commemorate our 70 years as maendeleo ya wanawake.